Hello and welcome. Take a look at a new and exciting tool that lets you carry out a strategic review of your organization on your own. All organizations try to create effective strategies that help the business to grow. However, when a strategy does not meet expectations, it is difficult to determine what that caused the failure. Whether the strategy itself was wrong, or whether the failure was due to an incorrect implementation of the strategy. Without the proper tools, many executives are unable to quickly identify where the strategy has gaps, and where execution has problems. When this occurs, incorrect assumptions are often made as to why certain areas within the organization are underperforming, and corrective actions become misguided. In this situation, you need to review the performance of key areas to see what improvements are needed. If you hire a consultant to assess your strategy and your organization's capabilities, you may end up paying a huge bill, as these professionals charge high fees. I've been in the business for 20 plus years. And I know that all consultants apply a similar cookie-cutter approach. They use very similar checklists to gather information from you and your team, in a long stream of face-to-face meetings that take up valuable time and effort. This approach takes time, which you are paying for and that you can't afford to waste on a long drawn-out process. Instead, my thinking is that, if you have access to a good set of assessment questions, you can do a lot of this work on your own and quickly identify disconnects, gaps, and areas for improvement. This tool is meant for precisely this purpose. It can be used by anybody who wants to examine their business to find the improvements needed to make growth happen. The tool helps you examine business capabilities in 13 areas, covering capabilities dealing with the external environment as well as internal aspects. The different sections are: marketing capability, product management, participation in the industry value chain, financial management, understanding of the competitive environment, culture, processes, human resources, technology resources, systems, performance management, structure, and strategy performance. You answer each question by rating your capabilities from a level 1 to a level 4. At the end of each section you will see your capabilities depicted graphically, which gives you an easy way to identify areas of improvement. We've made the entire process simple. Just fill in a short registration form. Use our secured portal to make the purchase. And you can start using the tool instantly. Click the button below and start improving your business today.